So let's really quick do a workflow of wanting to create a new table. Let's say I wanted a table of surnames. Here we go. Let's do their table of fantasy names. Here's one I've visited before. How quickly can we do this? Okay, let's scroll down here. Load up page. Let's do. There we go. Okay, I have found it. Let's say we wanted medieval English surnames here. Okay, and I want to turn this into a table. Let's see how quickly we can do this. So I'm going to come down, grab that whole table. I'm going to come out here to Word, give me a new document, paste that in. I did not get the whole table. Did you see that? You get a response like this. I did not get the whole table. I need to come down to the end of the table, copy that, paste it in. Now it should look like a table. There we go. Since it looks like a table, I can say delete those columns. Okay, now I'm just left with individual rows, but there's many things in them. So here I'm going to convert this to text, joining with commas. Okay, I'm still in a table. This was a nested table. So I'm going to convert it to text, joining with commas again. Okay, now I'm just out at normal text. So let's do a couple of quick replaces. Grab everything, replace paragraph mark with a comma. There we go. Now you can see everything is just strung together. No problem. We've got some empty commas in here. We've got comma space, so let's do a little bit of cleanup again. Let's do comma space, replace with comma. Did a lot of that. Double check. Yep, we caught them all. Now let's replace comma comma with 1. And of course, if you know Word or whatever software you're using, this can probably be automated, but it's quick enough to do this. Okay, we do that again and again until we come down to 0 replacements. Now we just have a list of those names. Let's grab that and insert a table, converting the text to a table. And instead of a number of columns being high, we want 1 column, 271 rows, split at the commas. There we go. There's my list of names. So I'm going to add a column to the right, or I could split these. I'm going to add another column to the right, and then I'm going to add a row above so I have a header row. So this is an important step. TableToTable needs to know how to identify each row. The row order, or I'm sorry, the columns. The column order doesn't matter, but what it's going to check is this first row to understand which column is the name, which column should be the weight, and which column should be the avatar. So it just needs, they can be in any order, but it just needs to be able to recognize them. So now I've got really quick, in fact, it's taking me longer to talk about it than it is to do it. Okay, I've got it on my clipboard. I've copied that table I created in Word. I'm going to do new, and I'm going to call this surnames. Okay, now I don't need all of this. It's on my clipboard. So I'm going to go out and delete that interface, drop in. There it is. Drop in what's on my clipboard, save it. It's going to create, when I hit the process button, it's going to create the table surnames as a new table. There we go. Table update detected, created 270 items for the table surnames. So just that quickly, I created surnames. Where did it go? There it is, surnames, with 274 items. I must have had some out there already. All right, let's reset this. confirm that's what we want to do. Great. And go get surnames. Just like that, we've turned our data we've gotten off of the web. Thank you very much, Mr. Collaborative Gamer, or Miss, or non-identifying content creator. Thank you. We've turned it into a table, just that quickly. It took us all of 4 minutes. Let's say now, actually, they're not in order. They're not in order. So let's do one more change. Let's go, whoops. Let's unwrap it first. Let's unwrap it, grab it. All the way down to here. Okay. Copy that. And we'll go over to Excel. Let's say I drop it in here, and now I want to sort this. I want to sort these 3 columns, right? And if you've used Excel, you know it's pretty straightforward. Where's my sort button? There we go. I want to sort by name. My data has headers. Yep. There we go. Great. I've sorted it. I'm going to copy it. So here's a demonstration copying from Excel. We're going to come down here, delete that, paste it in from Excel, all my data in order. It is loaded. Hit process. Created 274 names for me now in order. Go get it. Oops. There we go. There's surnames. Load it up. So just that quickly, I was able to get it formatted into a table, bring it into my game, take it back out of my game to get it sorted, bring it back into the game. Now, if I went out here to my source and I said, hey, I got those names that are medieval, trade related, maybe I wanted to add the locality related, same thing. I could grab this data, take it out to Word, format it up as a table, bring it into the game, and say, hey, I've got stuff I want to append to surnames. Okay, and then you can delete your table because you'd have it on your clipboard, paste it in, save your changes, process it, and away you go. It'd be appended. So you can really quickly add to your table, modify your table, export your table, bring it in. Lots of different ways T3 can work.